suffer from frequent headaches? People think that stress and loud noise are usually the main causes of a headache, but that's usually not the case. The origin of headaches, more often than not, tends to stem from the neck and shoulder area. Tightness can cause misalignment in the vertebrae of your neck, thereby causing pain. With a typical headache, a person feels the pain originating at the base of the skull and then moving up to the temples, eyeball, and forehead. Gentle neck and shoulder massage treatments can release tension and help relieve headache pain. Chiropractic adjustments can realign the vertebrae in your neck to treat the root cause of the headache, usually caused by poor posture. This is by far the most holistic approach to treating your pain. We have years of experience helping other patients treat their headache pain. Let us help you finally put an end to yours. Contact us today for a no-obligation consultation.
So, tell me what's going on with you today? What brought you into my office?
Sort of always constant headaches, pain in my neck, and some damage in my shoulder here.
What kind of damage? What do you mean?
I think just like muscle.
Okay.
So I kickboxed for a lot of years, so
Okay.
I'm battered.
Okay.
So.
And then when you say headaches, are they cervicogenic? They come from the back or they come from the front?
It's always in the back.
Always in the back?
Mm.
Okay. Does it ever travel from the back to the front?
I don't think so.
No? Okay.
It's just sort of constant pain, and I tune it out.
Okay. Headaches, what's the level of pain of your headaches, 1 to 10?
Probably 3. It's just constant.
What about neck pain?
Probably 3.
3. Does it wake you up at night or you okay?
Sometimes.
Okay.
And when I'm weightlifting, I've got pain in my shoulder.
When you say weightlifting, how heavy?
Not very heavy.
Okay. Does it hurt afterwards?
No, but it's like things like this. So like for that kind of things. I don't think it's in the bone. I think I've probably torn something in the muscle there.
Okay. When was the last time you saw a chiropractor?
I've actually been a lot of times, but it's been quite a while. Probably.
Huh?
And
Okay. Let's see what's going on with you. Does it hurt here on the left?
where your thumb is a lot. Yep. Right. Yep. Yep.
Any pain around here?
A little bit.
Okay. What about here in the middle back?
A little bit.
Okay. How about low back?
A little.
Okay. I'm gonna bend you, just relax, don't resist me, okay? So there is no range of motion on the left side. On the lumbar spine.
I think I need a tune-up.
Well, that's what you're here for.
I can tell. I'm sure you're an expert. You're a big guy, but I've been in the past tough to adjust.
Okay, well, we'll see what we can do.
Yeah.
Bend forward, please. Back. Okay. Stand up, please. Face the window. Close the eyes and march in one place.
March.
Yeah. Okay. Stop and keep your eyes closed. Don't move. Okay, give me your hands. And then make it like this. Give it to me. One here. And then one on the edge. So I'm gonna show you the posture. The left hand is much higher than the right one. Shoulders are not equal, and so are the ears. So we're gonna try to fix it after with adjustment and massage.
Okay.
Okay, so you can watch this later on. Okay, go ahead, have a seat. So what's happening to you? So the base of your spine, which is bring the So this is your spine. Let me sit right next to you. So this is your spine. You're looking at yourself from behind. So the right side of your spine is about 1.5 inches higher than the left side. The problem is here on the left side, this sacrum is out, and that's basically your spine is like this. It's torqued about 1.5 inches. So, and the sacrum is the foundation of the spine. When that is out, your legs are, one leg has become longer, one will become shorter. So we need to adjust you here, and then spine is a gravity dependent structure. So when the sacrum is out, the rest of the spine is going to start compensating and play along. So your thoracic is out, your lumbar is compensating on the left side, which is right here. So we're going to adjust you here.
1.5 inches, that's a lot. That's cool.
Do you have a pain here? But it's not moving, okay? Then I'll adjust you in the middle back, and then you don't have any range of motion on the left side of your cervical spine. So I'm gonna adjust you here. So before I do that, I'm gonna set you up for heat and stim to relax your muscles, and then so we can get a better set.
Okay.
With adjustment. So this is, you're looking at yourself from behind. See, this is your posture, and then left side is higher than the right one. Left shoulder is higher than the right one, and then right here is higher than the left, and then your right foot is out because it's compensating. Okay? So the goal is to make these lines straight.
Okay.
Okay? And then fix up the muscles. So after the...
And then I'll be 10 years younger for my wife?
I don't know about that. Maybe 7. So, and then after that, we're gonna send you to my massage therapist, and she's gonna reset your muscles, and then we'll go from there.
Okay.
Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, so let's set you up for heat and stim. And then we'll Alright, so I'm gonna adjust your middle back right now. Okay, keep your hands down towards the floor. Okay. So take a deep breath in. Out. Okay, take a deep breath in. Out. Okay, good. Breath in. Out. Okay, breath in. Out. Good. Okay, and go ahead and lie on your side, face me, like you sleep on your side.
Does your boy?
Okay, keep this leg straight. You're gonna have a feeling that you're gonna be falling over the table, so just relax, you're not gonna fall, okay?
Good.
Okay, put your hand here, right here, and this one goes here, relax. Okay, good. Okay, sit up. If you don't, I'll be right back, give me a second.
Okay, I'll see you.
Yeah, yeah. Give me a second, I'll be right back. Now let's do your neck. So we'll do your lumbar spine. Okay, sit here please, right in the center. Now put your hands like this. Relax the neck. You feel that move?
That one moved.
The lumbar spine didn't make a lot of noise, but there was a movement.
Oh,
Because usually with the muscular guys, you don't get a lot of... Okay, stand up please. Okay, go on your side, face me, I'm going to adjust your lumbar spine.
that's right.
Head here, legs over there.
Yep.
It's the left side. Okay. Keep it like this. Okay. Big guy. Okay. Relax the shoulder. Okay, got you. Okay. Stand up. Alright, face the window, please.
Sit.
No, stand up.
Yeah.
Close the eyes, march in place. Stop. Get the hands on the hip of this. Okay. So, this is the difference after the adjustment. Okay. Can you see the difference?
Nowy muž сейчас.
Okay, how does it feel? That's it. You can.
Okay.
Do you feel a little bit different? I mean, straight or?
No, my neck feels a lot better.
All right. So.